we say, yo, what's good, YouTube, tube. Yo, what is good, YouTube? We back with another video. I know we've been gone for a couple weeks, and I know it's been a minute since we made a video like this. This is vlog 2 of being consistent, y'all. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Tay, and this channel is basically about life, growth, business, and just documenting the journey, you feel me? And honestly, I can say a lot has changed. So we're gonna talk about a little bit more of that later on in the video. But if y'all didn't know, I'm originally from Cleveland, Ohio. I moved to Phoenix this past summer, and I can say it was a big jump, cause I really left everything that I knew, everybody for real. And I'm in a whole new state by myself for real. Like, my brother live down here, but he be doing his own thing. Like, really be down here by myself. Be cool, but I be bored as hell, not gonna bap. And I'm low key on the shy side, so I don't just be talking to anybody, and I went out by myself a few times, but yeah. So this video is basically me starting over in my 20s. Like, I'm really just starting over life, everything, friends, people, job, just everything. I'm 2,000 miles away from home, across the country, from the East, Midwest to the West Coast. Shit different, like all that. So I'm gonna give you all a short little tour of the crib in the states that it is in right now, and it's not nowhere put together. So come on, we're gonna start this room here. It's gonna be the bedroom. Mattress big as hell, y'all. So my old apartment, I just didn't, well, obviously it wasn't in the same state anyway, but from looking, I didn't think this was narrower than my old apartment, but it is. So king size, it'll fit. Like, I can fit through here, you feel me, walk through, but I want a little more room, so I'm gonna get a queen instead. So that should be coming soon, couple days or whatever. I'll send that back. Good thing I didn't order, well, I ordered the bed frame too, but it didn't come yet, so I just, you feel me? Y'all see bathroom, nothing in here. Nothing in here, bathroom, closet. Y'all see, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek when anything finished. Boom, kitchen here. Got some stuff right there I'm gonna put in the bathroom. Y'all see, fire view. Show you down a little bit. Room 2. This room gonna be something special. I'm gonna have the brand. Y'all see all the brand stuff. Got the poly melers. Got custom bags. They on the way. Those gonna be in here. All the stuff I need to record, and tripods and cameras. This bathroom. It's gonna be like a guest bathroom or whatever. But as y'all see, everything pretty empty, man. Got the load in. Y'all shop the brand Sirunknownapparel. The link will be in the description. Right now, we just getting everything put together. So the next video, y'all see, everything gonna be right. You know all that. But as of now, about to sit down, chat with y'all, man. I know. We gonna sit and chat with y'all on some real shit. Let me grab my phone real quick. Alrighty. What's good, y'all? If y'all didn't peep, we in a, new scenery. The scenery has changed. Y'all see the wonderful view behind us? Y'all can't see the shades down right now, for real, but I'm gonna show y'all everything when, in due time. So I gave y'all like a little miniature tour of what's going on. Nothing is really put together. Everything is scattered everywhere. I just moved in probably a few days ago. But at the same time, my brother, he moved. So, and he's out the country doing stuff for work. So I had to help move him out of his apartment, move into my apartment, man. I am dumb tired. Like, I've barely been getting sleep. It's wild. But it's been a little minute since I dropped a video. Probably like almost 2 weeks. And I told y'all stay tuned, because we dropping a banger. And this is a soft intro to the banger. But if y'all don't know who I am, welcome to the channel. Right now, a lot of change has been going on in life. I've moved from where I'm from, Cleveland, Ohio, to Phoenix, Arizona. So this is an update on life, pretty much, you feel me? This channel mainly is gonna be about vlogs, like cars, bikes, just life, shopping, clothing brand, especially building a clothing brand. That's gonna be one of the main things the channel is gonna be about. So if y'all into stuff like that, go subscribe, and follow the brand Instagram at Sirunknownapparel. This video here, basically starting my life over in my 20s. Shit, everything that I knew, gone. You just starting fresh. Like, nigga, I don't know nobody. Like, I met a few people along the way, you feel me? I went to ASU when I first got down here for that one semester. I met a couple people, but not nobody I really like on a everyday kick it or talk to. But y'all, I should have brought y'all with me. I did a little shopping, if y'all can't see. That's what mainly all this is, just stuff for my bathroom. Y'all gonna see it in the next video of how I decorate everything, so y'all stay tuned. But I have like ideas of how I'm decorating everything. So my room is gonna be blue, like the color scheme we're doing blue and gold. Bathroom is gonna be blue, baby blue. Living room, we're just gonna do a white couch, white and gold vibes, and our clothing brand room and streaming room and all that, it's just gonna be white, like LED, RGB lights everywhere. I'm getting me some fly ass carpets. So yeah, everything, I'm telling y'all, when I'm finished, everything is gonna be a vibe. The kitchen, I got some ideas as well. Everything gonna be a vibe, so y'all just need to stay tuned. Y'all missed that shopping part, but the next shopping parts is gonna be in the next video when I show y'all the finished apartment. This I didn't record because, of course, I left the camera. I need to lock in. I left the camera, y'all. And I went to Sonic for the first time. Cool. But let me know down below in the comments. Give me some stuff like y'all want to see on the channel. Like I said, it's mainly going to be about lifestyle, cars, clothes, building a clothing brand. And that's mainly like what it's gonna be about. Alright y'all, that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm just organizing the brand and getting all the pieces set up on the shelf. Everything's coming together clean, as y'all see. I really hope y'all enjoy the process and y'all tapped in with the vision. If you did make it to the end, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the community, because we will be having some bangers. Make sure y'all follow me on all the socials for the brand, which is Sirunknownapparel for everything, SIRUNKNOWNapparel.com for the website. My personal will be A1ONTE on Instagram and TikTok, gbxtae. But I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. We go.